Sections. Welcome to this lecture, people. In this lecture, I will show you how you change your sections. Click on Edit Homepage, and I will wait. And right over here are all your sections, your website sections. Don't worry, if you don't know what I mean, I'm going to explain to you. Look at this. This is your section. This is your slideshow section. And your Add Banner section that appears right over here. So as you can see, and when I click on it, and I click on this dress, for example, you see that you can change the image for it, and you can link the image to products or collections or pages. So that's up to you, but I'm gonna, as you can see, you can link it to products and pages. I'm gonna leave it, and I'm gonna hide it. So I'm gonna click on that little I button, and it will hide. So that's really easy, isn't it? So, and you see this section right over here, that's the deal of the day section. When I click on it, here you can change it, and right over here you can link it to products or pages or collections. So I will go back, and I will also hide this. Okay, and I'm gonna hide this section by clicking on the little I button. And Insta feed section, I will also hide it by clicking on the I button. Okay, now our site is ready to go, and we're gonna place nice products in it. So we're gonna first place some jackets in, your own products, and I will show you how it looks with your own products or with different products. I'm gonna use my products, and in the next lecture I will explain you something about dropshipping, and you can you actually can use stuff from other people, from other companies, and that's really useful. So we're gonna add some jackets to this. I will see you soon.